Can 3D printing make playing with these toy tractors even more fun than it already is? Let's find out! Well, my grandsons received a number of toy tractors for Christmas, and they've really enjoyed playing with them, but it seemed like they just needed a little bit more. Actually, the John Deere tractor and the John Deere baler came with these two hay bales. One can go in the back of the round baler here, and it can pretend to bale the hay and then drop it off. But there's only two of them. Well, this was kind of easy. I just took some measurements of this for the diameter and the size, and then with my gold filament I was able to print some more. So now that baler can keep on going for a long time and bale up a number of round bales, and the tractors can come and collect all these and stack them up and load them up somewhere. So this was a pretty easy one. Next was this potato harvester, and it had some interesting features of the belts and the conveyor, but no potatoes. So it definitely seemed like something was missing here. What could we do with this? Well, I think making potatoes might be kind of hard. We don't want to make things too small with little kids, but I was able to make these little tablets that in a way might look like digging up some of the ground and producing some of the potatoes that are growing in the ground. So now at least there's something that the potato harvester can harvest and pick and go through the machine and also go into the wagon as well. Okay, well now we have these wagons, these trailers, and they're kind of empty. So they need something in them. Well, what should we do? What could we make? Well, before I had a video that showed the making of the maker coin, and you can check that out. It's a fun little project in itself, and this is the 7L logo. Well, this could definitely, with your imagination, this could be corn or wheat, and you can load up your wagon with that, or maybe it's tomatoes or cherries or something like that, or maybe it's blueberries, and you can have a lot of fun with different colors and teach about the different fruits and vegetables. Maybe you've just got a lot of stones and rocks that need to be moved, and you can load up your wagon again with some of those. And these are large enough that a child can hold them and play with them and move them from one place to another, and just talk about the colors with them and emphasize what happens on a farm. Growing the produce, harvesting it, then bringing it to a barn for storage for the winter and distribution. Well, this is fun, just making potatoes, more hay bales, round hay bales, and the maker coins can double as rocks, stones, fruit, vegetables, corn, and wheat. And I think it really helps this whole playing with tractors, toys, make it come alive and more fun. We're going to test it out with the boys, and so far what we found, they really enjoy having some different features that can go along with these toys. Well, along with printing out all of these different items that can go with the tractor, I wondered about logos. I've enjoyed finding a logo and being able to print it out, make a three-dimensional printout of it. Well, the John Deere logo is very recognizable and seen all over with John Deere tractors. The leaping deer with the gold, green, and yellow colors. I liked finding a logo and making an SVG file with it, and then making the separate printable files with it. Along with the classic green and yellow, I looked up the industrial and construction colors, which is a black and gold, which I think stand out really great as well. So I liked just making these little logo designs in 3D printing as well to go with the toy tractors. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like down below. Also, we love your support for the channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Thanks a lot and have a great day.